just 12.
Whew, man. 12:40, I think. I mean, no, not 12. 11:40, I think it is. Yeah, we're just cleaning out the pool for the night. I just got out. It's almost 12 o'clock, and the all-nighter begins now. So, yeah, we're gonna do a lot of fun stuff tonight, and then we're gonna go to sleep.
Why don't you just turn the camera?
I don't know. I'm kind of an idiot. And I know you can barely see me because of the crappy lighting, but...
No, you can see it pretty good.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Dude, it's
How do you
amazing.
center it perfectly backwards, yo? That's just crazy.
I don't know, because I'm awesome like that.
You could use, you can use
Alright,
a
well,
camera.
anyway,
you can use a camera that turns around, man.
Well,
You can click on this.
YouTube does not care about you, dude.
Yo, dude.
They just care about me.
Whoa, I'm flagging this video, man.
Oh, he's planking?
I'm flagging this
Oh, he's flagging it. Alright, well, before he flags it, I gotta go tune in like maybe 5 minutes. I don't know.
Nobody cares about this goon.
Yeah, this goon.
Whoa. You want me to bust out my rap battle, yo?